Welcome to the Certificate 4 in TAE on Blackboard. This video will take you through an introduction to the online environment. When you entered the course, you arrived at this landing page, and you can see the arrow points to a link called Start here. This is where you will start. And you can see that there's also some arrows pointing to your learning programs on the menu on the left. So there's learning programs for flexible and e-learning units. There's a learning program called Plan and Prepare a Training Program, Deliver Training, Plan, Conduct and Validate Assessments. So these links on the left-hand side are your course, divided up into learning programs with clusters of units of competency covered by each program. And here, on the same page below, where we were before, you'll find the units of competency and the training and assessment plans for the whole course. These documents are important for you to have a look at so that you get an idea of the requirements that you need to meet to achieve competency in this qualification. But they are not your course. This is the documentation upon which your course is based, and these folders are here containing these documents for your information to get an overview of the course and of the requirements. Within each of the learning programs, there are a variety of activities for you to complete, including discussions, blogs, wikis and journals. Within each of these learning programs, the links to these activities will appear. But in addition, you also have a shortcut to them available on the left-hand menu. So you can see that there's arrows pointing to a round table, and that will be a list of all the discussions that you are required to participate in. Our blogs, again, all of the blogs that you'll be asked to participate in and contribute to. Collaborate, all the wikis that you'll be asked to contribute to, and my reactions, all journals that you are asked to complete. Within each learning program, you will also find links to your assessment tasks, your major assessment tasks. In addition, as you can see here, there is a link on the side where the arrow points to called Course Schedule. Behind that link, there is a page which lists all of the activities and assignments and gives some suggested timelines for submission. Beneath that schedule, you'll find links to every single activity and assessment within the course. We are now inside one of the learning programs. This learning program is the one called Flexible and E-Learning Units. And as you can see, we have a purple icon here, and we have a number of folders. So first of all, the first folder consists of the units of competency and the training and assessment plan for each of these units in this cluster or this learning program. Here you'll see the purple icon, which is the online classroom link. You don't need to go here unless you have been advised to go at a certain time and day by your facilitator. The rest of the folders are content folders, and within them you'll find the course materials, the activities and the assessments for this learning program. In some of the content folders you'll also find activities such as this one, where there's a blog activity, and sometimes you'll see a discussion activity. Within each content folder there is a link to the assessment that goes with the content for that folder. So you can see here there's an arrow that tells you that that's a link to the assessment which relates to the materials within this particular part of Flexible and E-Learning Units learning program. When you click on the link to the assessment, it will take you to an assessment submission page. So normally what you would have done has completed a written assessment on a Word document, and you submit it on this page. There's a place for you to make comments or to provide further information. There's a place there to browse for your document and attach it. The facilitator can comment on your work in the comments space, and there's a submission button at the bottom for you to enter your submission of your assignment. In conclusion, to start your learning, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the learning program advised by your facilitator. Secondly, check the units of competency and training and assessment plans to get an idea of the requirements to achieve competency. Thirdly, start working through each folder of content, participate in all activities, and complete each assessment task. Finally, attend any online workshops in the online classroom as directed by your facilitator. Good luck with your learning.